What is it like to visit Titan, Saturn's largest moon? Believe it or not, Titan is a moon that is bigger than Mercury, which is a planet, and that's quite strange. It's very fascinating that this moon has so many Earth-like features and it's not even a planet. Yes, this moon is very Earth-like. Not even our moon has these features. Actually, no other moon in the solar system has features like Titan. So let's get ready and visit Titan in this video. How long will it take to get there from Earth, first of all? Well, that depends on like 1,000 factors, but assuming best case scenarios, and with the current space flight technology we have right now, it will take 7+ years to get there. Now this is a very, very rough estimate, but it gives you an idea of how long the trip could take. 7+ years. Just keep that in mind. Now, let me quickly state some of Titan's major features. The temperature is around -179 degrees Celsius, or -290 degrees Fahrenheit. You will feel about 7.3 times lighter. So, take your weight now in pounds or kilograms and divide that by 7.3 on your calculator. That's approximately your weight on Titan. And finally, the surface pressure is about 1.45 atm. It also, just like Earth, has clouds that can rain down on the surface. Now here's the crazy part. This moon actually has lakes, rivers, and even seas. But they're not just made out of water, so don't go and try to drink from them if you get there. So what's in the rivers and seas? Methane and ethane. Titan, besides Earth, has one of the most liquid activity on its surface, and that makes it very special. Okay, what else is on the surface? What's the surface like? It's basically water ice. Not water, but water ice. So, prepare for some very, very cold times. And if you live in places like Canada, then this shouldn't be much of an issue. On the surface of Titan, how would you view the sun? Well, since you're now about 1.4 billion kilometers away from the sun when you're on Titan, we can safely say that the sun will definitely seem to be smaller than usual. The intensity of the light from the sun will be less, so if you're a big fan of sunlight and perhaps even getting a tan outside, then Titan is not a good place for you to go to. Next important note, Titan's atmosphere actually absorbs deadly energetic particles from the sun, making the surface much more human-friendly, if you will. Even Mars does not have this amount of shielding. So you see, Titan can eliminate these harmful particles before it reaches you, and that will prevent you from developing long-term tissue disorders and even cancer. So to protect yourself from radiation on Titan, you don't even need to be in some sort of a massive shelter or go underground. Titan's atmosphere already does that job for you. On Mars and our moon, however, you probably need to seek shelter to prevent the radiation from hurting you in the long term. A cool thing about Titan is that on some parts of it, there are sand dunes on the surface that can have the same color as coffee beans. And another cool fact about Titan, it is tidally locked with Saturn. This means that one side of Titan will always face Saturn, which means that if you are on that side of Titan, you will be able to see Saturn all the time. Every single second. You will see Saturn in day and at night. Now that's pretty neat. What about the air? Is it breathable? Unfortunately not. The atmosphere is mostly made out of nitrogen, methane, and other carbon compounds. If we are on Titan, we must have suits that will at least A, protect us from the extremely cold environment, and B, will be able to supply us with enough oxygen. Titan seems to be an extremely interesting moon to visit. In my opinion, it would be worth it to have human beings on Titan. Even though the environmental conditions can be harsh, specifically the temperature, Titan has so much activity on its surface that it may be worth visiting. There may even be life on Titan. Who knows, maybe there are life forms on or under the surface of Titan in the rivers and seas, waiting to be discovered by us. And that is a whole new topic for another video. Exploring Titan will probably be one of the most interesting journeys of all time, because it is a solid body that we can actually walk on, explore on, and perhaps even live on. If we can work around the harsh temperatures and deal with that and some other factors, then exploring Titan will be something humanity will be looking forward to. Imagine this. You are 7.3 times lighter, walking, running, and hopping around the surface, having a beautiful view of Saturn in the sky, exploring the rivers and seas on Titan's surface, and also exploring the mountains and rocks there. That's a lot to do, but to me, that sounds amazing. What are your thoughts on this? Would you visit Titan if you had the chance? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video for the Moon series.